Hey there, luxury travelers! Are you dreaming of the perfect honeymoon? Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore, sunlight streaming through your window, and knowing you're in one of the world's top luxury hotels. Well, today, I'm here to guide you through some of the most exclusive and picturesque honeymoon destinations out there. From the idyllic shores of Santorini to the tranquil beaches of Sri Lanka and the captivating charm of the Caribbean islands. Let's kick off with Santorini, Greece. Picture this, you and your loved ones sipping a glass of wine, watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. Santorini isn't just a scenic beauty, it's a haven of luxury with hotels that offer private terraces, infinity pools, and world-class service. Next up, Sri Lanka. If you're a couple who loves adventure mixed with relaxation, this is the place for you. Luxurious resorts nestled on pristine beaches, spas that rejuvenate your soul, and the warm, welcoming culture makes Sri Lanka a magical spot for newlyweds. And if you're leaning towards a Caribbean escape, the islands there are like pearls scattered over the deep blue sea. Each island offers a unique blend of culture, cuisine, and crystal-clear waters, paired with lavish accommodations that ensure privacy and exclusivity. Condé Nast Johansens goes the extra mile by not just recommending places but actually visiting and vetting each hotel to ensure they meet high standards of luxury and comfort. So when they suggest a hotel, you know it's the real deal. So why settle for an ordinary honeymoon when you can indulge in the extraordinary? Dive into the world of luxury hotels with Condé Nast Johansens and make your honeymoon truly unforgettable. Be sure to sign up for their VIP Club newsletter to get exclusive offers and insights on the best places to pamper yourself and your loved one. That's all for today. I hope this sparks some inspiration for planning your dream honeymoon. Wherever you choose to go, make sure it's a place that resonates with your dreams and desires. After all, this is more than just a vacation. It's the beginning of a beautiful journey together. Safe travels.